Hello, my good traders. The good news here is that I am going to help you to make profit from the forex market without you trading. Yes, you would have to do nothing. You do not have to trade. You will just have to spare yourself all the struggle of trying to make profit, and you are not making. You are not going to do anything. What you will have to do is to link your account to my account. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So that whenever I take a trade on my account, which is my live account, that trade will be taken on your account. And then whatever profits I will be making, you will make the same profit. And all that you will have to do is to just go into your account and withdraw your money. Remember, I am not going to have access to your account. Not at all. I am not going to have access to your account. I cannot withdraw your money. I cannot do anything to your money. You have access to your account. Only you can withdraw your money. And this process is called copy trading. You remember I told you on my Telegram channel that my broker have contacted me. And what they want me to do is to help all those who registered through my referral link so that all of them can become profitable. Now, they have given me an account, and that account is the account that you can be able to link your account to. Yes. And so whenever I take a trade on my account, that account that I have been given, you are going to link your account to that account, and I will show you the process to do that. And so what it will mean is that anytime I take a trade on my account, it will automatically be taken on your account. So yours is to always come and withdraw your profits, and you are good to go. So this is the procedure. First of all, you will need to register with that broker. The broker's name is Exness. Whether you register through me, my referral link, or not, you will have this access. But it will be very good for you if you register through me, my link, because there are other opportunities you may enjoy very soon if you have registered through my link. But if you have not registered through my link, this very one of you linking your account to my account, you can still enjoy it. Now, you will only need a minimum deposit of $100 in your account. A minimum deposit of $100 in your account. So you need to first of all register with Exness. You can contact me if you need the link to register, or just go through any of my videos. Go to the description of my videos. You will see broker one. Broker one is Exness. Register by clicking on the link, or you can contact me in person. I'll just give you the link for you to register. When you finish registering, then you will now link your account to mine. There is a link I'll give you. Once you click on that link, it will give you access to link your account to my account. And that is it. You will begin to enjoy the benefits weekly, monthly, anytime I take a trade. The profit I will make, you will also make the same profit. But you need a minimum account balance of $100. If you don't have $100, you cannot link your account. If you don't have $100, you cannot link your account to my account. Take note. So you need a deposit of $100, and then once you link your account to mine, you go to sleep. You have no cause to worry. I am going to be doing all the work for you, and yours is to enjoy the benefits. Maybe this is the way to go in 2025. You can begin this. Maybe you can just put that $100 as an investment and then into that account and link it to me, and then you will still continue your learning process. So whilst you are learning, you are already making profits. You already have me doing the trading for you, and you are making profits on your account. This is good news, right? So get the Exness link through any of my videos. Just go to the description and register. If you already have an account with them, then contact me for the link so that you can link your account to my account. You need a link. I need to give it to you. Yeah. If I don't give you the link, you cannot link your account to mine. So if you want to link your account to mine, I need to give you the link before you can do that. Now, Exness is not available in some countries. So that is the unfortunate part. If you are in some countries, you cannot have account with Exness. And I'm very sorry for that. This is an opportunity Exness has given. And I want to give it to those who have access to that opportunity. It is not intentional. Please forgive me, especially those of you who may not be able to register through the Exness broker. But how will you know whether you can register or not? Let me share this with you. Let's see countries that are not available for Exness. If you are in those countries, you cannot have the Exness broker. The reason is because Exness doesn't have the license to operate in those countries. And that is why if you are in those countries, you cannot register on Exness as a broker. But as time goes on, maybe in the near future, they may have license in those countries. Who knows? Each and every day, they are gaining new license. So they may get a license in your country very soon. But let's look at countries that do not have Exness. So if you are in these countries, I must apologize that you won't be able to use Exness. So these are the countries. These are countries that Exness is not available. So North America. So if you're in North America, those of you in North America, countries like Canada, Cuba, Nicaragua, and then Bahamas, you cannot register with Exness. When we come to South America, only Uruguay. Only Uruguay. So if you are not in Uruguay, you can register. If you are in South America, but you are not in Uruguay, you can register with Exness. If you are in North America and you are not in Canada, Cuba, Nicaragua, or the Bahamas, you can also register with Exness. The Oceania or the Oceaniae, let's look at that. The Oceaniae, those of you in Australia, New Zealand, Vanuatu, Christmas Island, Cocos Islands, Fiji, Head Island and McDonald Islands, Kiribati, Micronesia, and then is it New? Yeah, New, Norfolk Island, Palau, Samoa, Tokelau, and then Tuvalu. If you are in these countries, you cannot register with Exness. In Asia, if you are in Malaysia, Myanmar, North Korea, Singapore, South Korea, and then Russia Federation, you cannot register with Exness. If you are in Europe, countries like Albania, Andorra, Austria, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Kosovo, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Macedonia, Monaco, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, San Marino, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Svalbard, and then Jan Mayen, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, which is UK, Faroe Islands, Greenland, and then Åland Islands. It's like almost the whole of Europe. If you are in almost the whole of Europe, it means you cannot register with Exness, except you are in a country that is not here. Wow. So it means literally it looks as if Exness is not in Europe at all. Anyway, in Africa, these are the countries that you cannot have Exness in Africa. Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Libya, Mali, Mauritius, Rwanda, Seychelles, Somalia, South Sudan, and then Sudan. Apart from these countries in Africa, any other country in Africa, you can register with Exness. The Middle East, those of you in Middle East, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Palestinian territory, Syria Arab Republic, Western Sahara, and then Yemen. So those of you in Middle East, these countries, you cannot register with Exness. And then Antarctica, those of you in Antarctica, we have Antarctica and then Bouvet Island. You cannot register with Exness. And then British overseas territories, we have Anguilla, Bermuda, British Indian Ocean Territory, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Falkland Islands, Gibraltar, Pitcairn Islands, St. Helena, South Georgia, and then South Sandwich Islands, the Turks and Caicos. All these areas, you cannot have Exness. You cannot register. Caribbeans, those of you in the Caribbean, Barbados, Bonaire, Sabah, Haiti, Saint Martin, Saint Vincent, and then the Grenadines. If you are in these areas in Caribbean, you cannot register with Exness. Dutch territories, if you are in the Dutch territories like Caribbean Netherlands, Caracau, and then Saint Martin, you cannot register with Exness. And then the last one is the French territories, like French Guiana, French Polynesia, French Southern Territories, Guadeloupe, Martinique, Mayotte, New Caledonia, Reunion, Saint Barthélemy, Saint Pierre, and then Maquillion, Willis, and then Futuna. So these countries are all not countries that you can. And then it also includes America. Those of you in the US, you cannot. So Exness does not, the first one, Exness does not accept nationals and residents of USA, American Samoa, Baca Island, Guam, Howland Island, Cayman Reef, Marshall Islands, Northern Mariana, Puerto Rico, Midway Islands, Wake Islands, Palmyra Atoll, Jarvis Island, Johnston. The countries are there. You can continue. So it's unfortunate that those of you in US too, you cannot. So apart from these countries, if you are in any of the countries that have not been mentioned, it means you can register with Exness. So register with that broker, broker one. When you go to the description of my videos, you see broker one. When you finish registering, verify your account and then deposit $100 into the account. Then you can link that account. I'll give you the link. Once you contact me, I'll give you the link. So if you want to contact me, the number to contact me, let me give it to you, okay? Just chat me, send me a WhatsApp message, please. Send me a WhatsApp message and I'll give you the link that you will use to link your account to mine. Is that okay? Once you contact me, I'll give you the link that you can use to link your account to mine. If you also want Exness broker link to register an account with, just chat me. Don't call me, please. Don't call. Just WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll give you the link. Is that okay? So let me give you the number, okay? Let me give you the number. So this is the number. If you want to contact me, this is the number. Just send me a WhatsApp message, please. The WhatsApp number is +223 and then 246 13 6609. So this is the WhatsApp number, +233 246 136609. Just send me a WhatsApp message that you need the Exness link to register your account or you need the link to link your account to mine. Any of that, just ask me, send me a message and I'll give you the link for you to do that. So this is the number, the WhatsApp number you can reach me. Only WhatsApp, please. do not call me. Send me only a message and I'll give you the link. Is that okay? So 2025, this is what Exness would like me to do for my clients, those who have registered under me, and also those who have Exness accounts and will want me to help them. So please, if you are interested in this, just get in touch with me. Get a deposit of $100 in your account. Then I can link, or I'll help you, give you the link so that you link your account to mine, and that is it. Yours is to just go and sit somewhere and rest. Go back to your work and leave the rest to me. Whatever I will be doing on my live account will be taking place on your live account too. And yours is to withdraw your profits and you are good to go. This is good news. Please share it with your friends. Tell people who are interested in investing in Forex but do not have the time to trade. Some people do not even have the time to learn the whole profession. This is it. They only need to register an account and link that account to mine. That is all. This is the opportunity Exness has given to me to give to you. It's good news, huh? Let's do this in 2025. I will see you on the inside.